Hey, what's up, buddies? Welcome back to Firelight 84. Today we're gonna play Firelight 84, and this is an awesome game. It's very much cool, and you're gonna get a big map over here. You're not gonna get a parachute to land, but you have a jetpack instead of parachute. It's a unique concept that you can use your jetpack and escape from your enemies. That I'll show you later in the video. Let's first land on the land. Yeah, here we landed. So first, let's get the guns and loot some essential items. Yeah, here is the gun which I got. It is so powerful that it gives 80 damage, I think so, mostly 80 damage, but it's little bit quite hard to handle this thing. Yeah, but let's search the enemies. I saw an enemy down. Let's go down and complete out her. Yeah, this is so new game. Even I started recently playing this game. Yeah, it has 100k downloads in Play Store. You can get it from the Play Store even. Yeah, he completed our one kill, and some player is going to attack on our teammate, so let's attack on her only. Yeah, here we completed. Most of the players are real players, they are not bots. Like you can see in this match, they are trying to escape out. Yeah, they are going to an house and hide there and use the medikit, but I'm not gonna leave it. It's quite normal because when you start playing any type of battle royale game, you're not gonna get some pro type of players in the start. So that's the thing. Yeah, here we got the loot and I changed the gun so that I want an auto fire gun. You can use the auto fire option to automatically shoot when it saw enemies, but it works only on some guns, not on every guns. Mainly on SMGs it works. Yeah, here we are killing a cyborg. In Firelight 84 you can see cyborgs. If you kill them, you're gonna get a greater loot, but they have a strong HP, so you should be very much careful about that. Yeah, and we were saying about SMGs. SMGs only will get the auto fire, not every gun like shotgun and snipers. You're not gonna get the auto fire option. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna show you something else more cooler than cyborgs. Yeah, if you like zombies, yeah, you can even see zombies in this match. This match, not in this game only, you can find everywhere the zombies is pulled. Should be very much careful. In night they will attack on you. Yeah, even you can see the change in seasons and day and night routine in one battleground gameplay. Yeah, in this we got a car, crab like car, I think so. Yeah, we can ride it from here, and even we can shoot a laser type of beam that we will show in next type of clip. Here we came, and here we started shooting the cyborg. As you can see, I have shooted 2 times. Here we have to charge it and then shoot it. 150 damage and again 150 damage. You can see it has 300 HP. When it saws you, it comes to attack on you, so you should be very much careful about that. Yeah, you can see the change in season even. Yeah, you can see that it's like sunlight is happening, not sunlight, like if it sun will set or sun will rise, that time the season will be like that, or the climate will be like that only. So this the thing. Yeah, let's go and rush on the some of the players. The map is so big that you can't even find the players out. It's kind of complicated because of the map is so big, and everywhere it starts from the same position and place. They have to change that thing. Okay, here I tried to shoot the player with the machine, but he's very much kind of alert of it, that whenever I starts charging, he tries to escape from that position and change his position, so I was not able to shoot. See guys, you can see again a change in season. It's night time now. The zombies and cyborgs will be more and more. You should be very much careful while roaming. Mostly we prefer to have vehicles while this time. Vehicles are so powerful that you can use in these matches. It's very much cool. It's every vehicles are like futuristic types. The vehicles are so cool. And here we got the damage, so I thought let's to escape from this place and get an kind of medikit. But as I start running, someone started shooting from top, so while walking only I took the medikit. In this you can take while walking only medikit. It's a kind of great thing. In many games you can see, in some games you can't see, but I heard the footstep of the player, I think so he's coming down. Then I started shooting with shotgun. It doesn't have auto aim. Then I changed to an auto aim gun. Then I killed him off, knocked him off, not killed. Yeah, then I took medikit and went in search of the player. Someone is in the top or what. Then I came here. I was using sniper to kill it. Yeah, here is our first shot. Missed it, but in second shot we killed out. Yeah, it was nice. Snipers give more damage, but it's very much difficult to use it. That's the thing. Yeah, here we got our kill. I was in search like some other players I can get or not, but I didn't get any other player. So this is another vehicle even. See, it's so cool. Like you're gonna get a booster type of thing from back, and you can walk it out. See, we our HP is full. I think so. No, no, it's a little bit left over there. And the maps and graphics are so awesome. You can see all our teammates are alive. That's the thing. Like most of the players will go alone and they die in, when I was starting, when I was playing in the start. Yeah, now we are stick together and we are killing. We are waiting for the zone to shrink so that when the zone will shrink, that time every players will come together. Will kill our enemies. Yeah, there is four players and more two players is left. One team and two players. Yeah. Again, you can see a change in season. I think so. It become morning. Yeah, mostly it's daylight cycle. Mostly daylight cycle only. Not like season change. Yeah, I was just repairing my shield over here. You're not gonna get medikits. You're gonna get medikits, but it's very much rare over here. Not like in every place you're gonna get the medikits. In some place you will get, and here you doesn't have vest or helmets to protect you. You're gonna get a shield type of thing that you have to activate every time. In every loot box you're gonna get that thing. You can use it for your future use. Yeah, it means when your shield get destroyed, that time you can use it. Yeah. Someone knocked my teammate, so I went and saw there was a cyborg, so I started killing cyborg. As you can see, it's so strong. It is maintaining. Four of the members are attacking on it, but it didn't die. Now it died. Somehow it died. I saw another player and we started shooting on him. Yeah, he's given more damage. Even he destroyed my shield. Then I saw another player started attacking on me when I was running and using the medikit. So I thought I almost died over here because your teammates never revives you. That's a very much bad thing I feel. Somehow I killed him and almost I escaped. You can see my HP. Then I started using the medikit and repairing my shield even. Yeah, here I saw a player. He's little bit good at playing, I think so. No means more good than me. Yeah, I started using the scope and start shooting him. It's an auto fire, so automatically it shoots. Then I saw zone is coming from back. Here I used my jetpack so that to escape from the enemy. See, you can, as you see, I went near the tree using the jetpack. You're gonna get jetpack in this. That's kind of unique feature in Parler Hitco. He came close to me. Why I don't know. I died over here. As you play a new game, it will be like that only. Even you can see the animations of MVP, who is the pro. Yeah, I mean, now you can see that one. It's kind of so cool. The voice. Anyway, because of one kill, I lagged back. Even sustaining for long, I was in second rank, and we are completed. Thank you.